Hi.
Hi, everybody. We're here for another taste test.
Yep.
And Quentin does not want to do this one. This is
No, I
pretty
want to do
horrible.
it. I literally want to do it.
Why?
Because it's yummy.
What is it?
It's candy bars.
Yes, it is.
It's candy bars. This is one of them. I want to do this one first. Can we?
Yeah. So we've got all kinds of candy bars, and that are different than normal, like the limited edition kind. We're starting with what? Apple pie Kit Kats.
Yep.
What the world is that?
Ron got one of these for his birthday party.
Oh yeah, Bronson gave some to his friend. Okay.
Okay.
We probably only need a half because.
I want all of it.
No, let's share. Here. Ready?
Stop.
Okay, regular white chocolate.
Oh, I used to buy that. That's good.
What did you just say with your mouth full?
I said I recommend you buy that because it's good.
Let's do another one. What did you gotta show him?
Reese's Pieces.
Reese's peanut butter cups. What kind?
White.
White chocolate Reese's. Some of these you people may have had before, but we haven't.
Yeah, I haven't had these. Oh, that looks so cool.
Ooh, let's leave that one in there. We'll just share this one, bud.
Oh, dang it.
Whoopsie doopsie. That was loud. Okay, give it a try.
We're gonna try to just. That's good. I think it tastes sort of the same.
Honestly, I like regular better.
I think the taste is the same.
Okay, that's good. It's good. What's next?
Let me see.
Ooh, show 'em what you got. Twix cookies and cream.
Yeah, that sounds cool.
Like Oreos, Twix, huh?
Yeah.
Just regular looking so far. But what happens on the inside? That's the question, right?
Oh, it's white and dark. Like, look at the inside.
It's like Oreo bottom and some sort of. So there's no caramel in this?
Good. I think that it's a bit of caramel in it.
You think there's a bit? I don't think there's any caramel in it.
I think there is.
Oh, okay. Now yeah, that's pretty good.
I like the normal one better.
I like the normal ones better. Okay.
Okay. Now, let's take a break from those.
And do what? The outrageous Reese's bar. So this is stuffed with Reese's Pieces candy. Milk chocolate, peanut butter, and caramel stuffed with Reese's Pieces. And it looks like this.
Wait, let me show them. It's so much dots. And look at the bottom. It's like fuzzy.
Let's give it a try, shall we?
Cut it. It's big.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's hard to cut. That's hard.
Ooh, what's in there?
It's Reese's Pieces.
Reese's Pieces and a strip of caramel right through the middle. And then Reese's Pieces all around.
Good.
My favorite so far.
I think,
Yum. Is that your favorite so far? Or the apple pie?
I don't know. It's actually good.
Yum. Get that one.
Which one?
Buy it. No, I'm saying you people buy that.
We haven't even tried all of them.
What do you got there, pal?
Milky Way.
Milky Way
Mint.
salted caramel. Salted caramel. I love salted caramel. So this is going to be my favorite. Well, I don't know that. I've never had it. And it just looks like a regular old Milky Way bar.
Yep. Let's see what's in the inside.
What you doing with your nose?
It's itchy. It's itchy. Oh, there's caramel and chocolate. Oh, I think
on the backside.
caramel and chocolate.
Yum, yum. And taste the salt. Did you taste the salt? I love that. That tastes like a salted caramel. You know how when you go to Costco or somewhere and buy a big jar of their salted caramels and you eat them way too much? This will give you the same fix.
Ow.
Without owning a whole jar of them.
Okay,
Yum. Get it.
the starting taste is pretty good, but the aftertaste is really good.
Yes, yes.
Mm-hmm.
I agree. I love those. We should do one of the peanut butter cups because we have 2 of them. Let's do this one so we get it out of the way.
Wait, is this?
It's dark chocolate, and he doesn't like dark chocolate. But he's going to try it.
Don't turn away the other.
You got time. I got to cut it. So a dark chocolate Reese's, I'm assuming it just tastes like Reese's, but darker. Yep, just a dark chocolate Reese's peanut butter cup. Shall we, my friend?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. You'll survive it. You won't die.
We try a small bite.
The whole thing. You're here on the show. Pop it in.
That's not good.
Yeah, it is. It's not that dark.
I don't like it.
In fact, I like it a lot. Okay, 3 to go, buddy boy.
I think I like the other one better.
The white chocolate one, because it's sweeter. All right.
Okay, next. What are these?
That dark chocolate one's good. This is a Snickers peanut butter. It's not all that different, but it's a peanut butter Snickers. Quinn, be normal, please. Hi. Okay. So the thing that's different though is it comes in 2 squares instead of 1 long bar. There's 2 squares in there. Peanut butter Snickers. What do we got here?
Do you think it's good? It's like white on the inside.
Oh, okay. There is little peanuts down there at the bottom. So this is the way it sits. There's peanuts in the bottom, and then that's peanut butter. I love Snickers. And it has that Snickers taste. Just missing the caramel. I like caramel, so.
Not my favorite.
Not my favorite either. Not horrible. Okay, and the next one we want to try, Hersheys Gold. This one's been around for a while, but I don't think you've ever had it, have you? And if I have, it's been a long, long time. Hersheys Gold, so it's caramelized cream with peanuts and pretzels.
Ew, that doesn't sound good.
That's what it looks like in the back.
That doesn't sound good.
Well, maybe it's horrible.
I'm scared. I don't want to eat this. No, not my favorite.
Good.
Maybe a bit good, but...
No, I like that. I like salty pretzels.
Actually, it's pretty good.
No, not my favorite. Wait a minute. It's the best one.
No, it wasn't the best. It's just kind of good.
Okay, awesome. 2 to go. Now, honestly, we've had these before, haven't we? We did these for s'mores once. When we bought s'mores, we bought regular Hershey's bars and then some of these Reese's Pieces Hershey's bars.
But I never made a s'more, so...
Why? Where were you?
Remember, I was like, oh, I don't want to make a s'more in the month.
Okay, so it's got Reese's Pieces all through the chocolate.
So I never had this. And even if you did, it was melted.
True. What do you think? Oh, that's a lot of chocolate. Love it. Love it for s'mores.
I don't like it too much.
Why? You're just you know what it is. You're just getting sick of candy.
No.
You've had like 1.5 million candies in you. Last one.
I
Show
think
'em
I
what
like
it is
this.
first. Peanut butter lovers. Reese's peanut butter.
I think I like
cups.
this.
Milk, chocolate.
And after,
peanut
can I
butter.
have this? Just one?
I think you probably had enough sugar.
No, I haven't.
So it's got peanut butter top, but apparently a milk chocolate bottom still.
Ooh. That one.
And the milk
Too
chocolate
much chocolate. My throat was burning once I have too much chocolate. It was burning.
Last one, and then you can survive it.
And then I'll take one of these. It looks like the wrapper's still on.
The Raptor is on?
Yeah, Hey, stop. The wrapper's still on. It looks like.
It does, huh? Yeah, those are good.
I think this is my favorite Reese's peanut butter cup one.
The white, those are good. No, that was really good, the peanut butter one.
But
It's getting rich, and it's hard to say because, like I say, that's our 8th. Hey, what are you doing? All right, tell everyone your favorite. Only your number one favorite.
I don't know. There's so many good ones.
Only number one. So for me, number one is the Milky Way. Salted caramel. Delightful.
I like this.
He likes the apple pie Kit Kat.
Yeah, I like this. I like this.
The white chocolate Reese's. He's pointing this. See, they can't see what this is. I thought outrageous was super good.
This. What?
The outrageous one with the bumps was super good. Pretty good.
Which one's this?
He hated dark chocolate, we know. All right. Go get all these crazy limited edition candy bars while you can.
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, I already had those.
And he already told you that he likes the Kit Kat. Bye.
Brr.
See you next time.